Hey, it's Ross. Today we're making your WorkForms smarter using conditional logic, so the right questions show up for the right people. Alright, to get started, open up your WorkForm. I'll use a form where we collect creative requests. Here, we have a drop-down question asking for the type of request, with a couple different options. With conditional logic, I can have different follow-up questions appear depending on the answer chosen here. Now I've already added the follow-up questions, so I just need to add logic to each. I only want to show this question when copy is chosen. And same for this one. I'll then repeat the process for the questions I want to show when design is selected. And something neat, you can stack on top of conditions. So I had this dimensions question appear when design was selected. I can add a question to show if other is selected as the dimensions, so I can get more details for extra context. And as a note, you can stack multiple rules to the same question. So only show if this is selected as the type, or if this is selected in the asset type. Alright, let's preview this to see it all in action. You'll see when I select copy as the request type, my 3 questions tied with logic will show. And if I change it to design, we've got our 2 tied to that answer now showing, while it removed the ones tied to copy. For dimensions here, when I select other, we'll get our text box asking for specific height and width. It's cool, right? Same form, smarter experience. And that's it. Conditional logic is a simple way to make your forms feel lean, fast, and more personal, while keeping your data organized on the board behind the scenes. Try adding it to your next WorkForm and see how it transforms your process. Check out the Help Center article in the description for more help, or click on the video to get the most out of WorkForms.